I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin sideways. Remember, I'm giving away $2,000 worth of Bitcoin end of the month. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. This is the Bitcoin weekly chart. So Bitcoin broke on the weekly and closed above the previous weekly all-time high candle close, right? Which is at about $60,037. Now, possibly the price action comes back down and has retested this level, right? So the bulls want to see a weekly close above this level and a bounce, right? I mean, your measured move of this pattern, as far as the breakout goes, would be this distance, right? Which puts you up here around 77,000. And I think that's just step one, right? But it's important, obviously, Bitcoin holds this level. Now, there can be shakeouts. I'm going to talk to you about a scenario that happened back in 2020 where Bitcoin was at 20,000 and had a significant pullback, shook the market out, and then it took off, obviously running to 64,000. So we need to pay attention that that scenario is possible. This is a Bitcoin 15-minute chart. Again, Bitcoin's just essentially consolidating in this range, right? If you don't get a break above 62,500 and a test of all-time highs, and you do get a pullback, you're just buying the dip, right? This is pretty simple. If you do get a dip of 10 or 15% load up on a pullback of that magnitude, and I'm going to go over some significant buy ideas for Bitcoin and why they played out in the past. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person is a college student. He got into FTM, which you guys know we nailed that. He's up $27,000 on FTM, up $80,000 overall. He's a college student. Huge. This person, he got a new car from FTM and S Fund, the KuCoin gem pick. Definitely like to see people succeed, hit their goals. Financial goals are about to be broken and exceeded by what this market's about to do. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. You have to make it count. This is across the street from my new office, this mega house. A buddy of mine, well, who I didn't even know prior to building this house, I told him about Bitcoin. He had never heard of it. I told him, hey, listen, there's a lot of ways to make money in this world where most people don't even know about. And let me tell you a little bit about Bitcoin. Next thing you know, he's downloading the KuCoin app. And he's in the group. I put him in the group, gave him $1,000 to start with. He turned $1,000 into $4,000. And I think he's up to $5,000 now. I mean, he's making more trading, and he never traded before. He's used to building houses. They're building these super custom homes. So I didn't even know what crypto was. That's what I'm saying. I took the hammer out of his hand, and I gave him a KuCoin app. And he's made a ton of money in a short period of time, in a month. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. You can pay with cryptocurrency. You get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or the year. If you pay for the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay month to month, you can also pay with a card. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups, period. You got to make it count. This is the entire market cap of cryptocurrency, and it's been broken. The all-time high, previous all-time high from May 2021 has been broken. This means you take up every coin and add it together, and it's $2.46 trillion. Now, the measured move of this would add another $1.2 trillion. Imagine this entire market, every coin goes up 50%. That means a lot of coins are going to go up 10x, 5x, 7x. Some will even go up 30x and 50x. Bitcoin, a couple x potential. The point is this. There's about to be a massive inflow in this market, and you have to make it count. This is the opportunity we've been waiting for years and years. The key level for Bitcoin, I want to see 64,000 break and flip as support. This is SRK gem pick yesterday. Gave it to you guys 10,000 people saw this, ready to bang, boom, 36% profits out of SRK. Huge. I mean, 36% in a day? Are you serious? Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. It is Bitcoin season. As soon as this pulls back, you'll see money flow into the altcoins. Okay, so you'll have better altcoin trading when this thing pulls back. So be ready for that. This idea was what I was talking about in the beginning of the video. So in 2017, Bitcoin had a parabolic rally. I think I started buying like $800 Bitcoin. It ran up to $20,000, right? And then a month and a half later, it was $6,500, right? And then went down to $3,150. But the point is, you had this parabolic rally up to this level, and then it got rejected. So this $20,000 level was the previous resistance, kind of like $60,000, $64,000 is now. So what you'll notice is back in November of 2020, you had Bitcoin rally up to this previous all-time high, right? Up to this previous all-time high, and you had a 15% pullback. And if you would have bought that dip, you would have caught the move to go into 65,000. Then it had a 10 or 11% pullback. And after that pullback, you still would have caught that move. So again, Bitcoin dips are for buying. You get a 10% or 15% pullback out of Bitcoin, buy the dip, period. This is GRO. So I've been hearing a bunch of news about this project. They have a lot of huge partnerships. This is with Chainlink. So this is the growth DeFi ecosystem. So it includes, they have GRO, Wheat, and the More tokens. All right, so what's important to understand is they have these huge partnerships with Chainlink and with AVAX. And so I've been hearing a lot about this and wanted to cover it with you guys. So they are using and integrating Chainlink price feeds on Binance Smart Chain mainnet for their collateralized stablecoin lending protocol called More, right? So More, this is an over-collateralized stablecoin, right? You're able, it's soft pegged to USD. It currently offers these huge yields, and essentially you open a vault, you deposit your collateral, you generate more against it, and you start earning this yield, right? And so everybody's always looking for extra ideas to make money in crypto. Potentially, this is something that may interest you. Point is, you can stake your More, and you can earn while you borrow, right? More has also been audited, and they passed the audit. They also have Growth, GRO, right? Growth DeFi is the name of the ecosystem. But the Growth DeFi, and Trader Joe had this announcement recently. Trader Joe is AVAX, right? Grow has a very low supply. Why this is on my radar is because you're talking about names, AVAX, Chainlink, names that we're very familiar with, right? And the price of this thing is going parabolic. So this is the Growth DeFi app, more.growthdefi.com. And essentially this is where you stake, open your vault, deposit your collateral, you generate more against it and start earning your yield, right? So again, just an idea that I thought they have a bunch of big partnerships. You guys needed to know more about this. They've been running successfully on Binance Smart Chain, and they're going cross-chain now. So again, it's launching on AVAX in October. And they also have this other coin called Wheat, and Wheat is the yield incentive tokens for the entire ecosystem, right? This has been audited by Consensus. Got this new hybrid bridge coming. It's going to allow people to move Grow and Wheat tokens between Binance Smart Chain and AVAX, right? More is also going to be available on AVAX as well. So they have partnerships with ApeSwap on Binance Smart Chain and Trader Joe's on AVAX, right? And so again, to get these coins, you go to Grow is available, ApeSwap, PancakeSwap, AVAX in the future. Wheat is available on ApeSwap and PancakeSwap. More, you're able to either mint on the app or you can buy it on ApeSwap. So an Avalanche pretty soon. So again, this is just one of those coins. And a lot of times we're just concerned with coins on these larger exchanges, but this is an up and coming project where you want to pay attention to it. MATIC has had an amazing run over time. Now, MATIC, and I've got a KuCoin gem pick ready to bang in just a second. MATIC is in this giant triangle. I mean, this thing ends within the next month, right? But when MATIC breaks out, I'm looking forward to test all-time highs, $2.60. Now, this green circle is important because if you get a pullback to the lower trend line and a bounce. That's where you're looking for entry on MATIC. That's the best entry. If you get a breakout retest, that's entry as well, right? Trading's always if then. If this happens, then do this. Today's gem pick ready to bang on KuCoin is LITH. This thing, we've been buying this for a while, and this thing has rounded bottoms, pay the bills. Essentially, I think LITH is the equivalent of right here, where you have this parabolic rally coming, right? So rounded bottom, parabolic rally coming, right? So essentially, when it breaks above this level at about just over 3.5 cents, you're going to see a huge pump. Let me just add some more targets because I think you see, 4.5 cent, 5 cents out of LITH on KuCoin. I mean, this is a very strong technical pattern, and it's ready to bang. It's running out of room. It's about to happen. It's all about to happen. This is today's KuCoin gem pick. Bang it. I mean, just remember, SRK, here we go. Gem pick yesterday. Boom, 36%. Hit these quick gains. Get that portfolio up so you can make the most of this. We're going to have an altcoin season coming in a couple months, and it's going to blow away any altcoin season you've ever seen. It's going to be epic. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.